Hello everyone, in this video I'll be showing you guys how to set up a new domain using Hostinger. So here I'm at the Hostinger website. Now once you're here too, just simply log in using your Hostinger account, but if you don't have an account, just simply make one. Now after making your account and signing in, it will take you to the home page of the H panel of Hostinger. Now once you're here too, click on domains on the left side right here. Now in this page you would see two options, get a new domain or transfer domain. If you don't already have a domain, you would have to go for this get new domain. Whereas if you have your own domain already, you can click on transfer domain and transfer your domain from there. I will go for, let's say, get new domain. Now, once you're here, you have to type in your domain name that you want. I will go for, let's say, XYZ123, and I will go for, let's say, .com. And after that, click on this button right here. But as you guys can see, the domain name that I choose is already taken, so it will give you some more options that you can choose. So just add them to cart, pay the due payment, and you will get the domain in no time. So that is pretty much it, and that is how you can set up a new domain in Hostinger. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.